beautiful people. Today's video is going to be really quick and a little bit different. I'm going to show you how I clean and sterilize my lashes that I bought from Addicted to Shannara collection with this cute little pink washer that I purchased from Romwe.com. I'll be sure to leave all the links in the description box below. I do want to apologize in advance for how shaky the video is going to be at some points because I was trying to use both hands at the same time. I was trying to record with one and clean with the other. But anyways, I just took alcohol and face cleaning witch hazel to sterilize my lashes. I put enough in the to cover up the bottom, but not to overflow because this is my first time using this machine. I actually just got it today. So anyways, once I put the solution in, all I did was drop my lashes in and I watched it go. I did wash my lashes for about a minute because I wasn't sure how long it would take, and I also just was scared to let it go for any longer, but it turned out really good. Here's the second pair, and as you can see, the washer got stuck in a little agitation, but I tapped it and it resumed. It was no big deal. That's the only time that it acted up. Voila, nice and clean and sterilized. Now you're thinking, I don't see a difference, but here's the proof. That's makeup residue, glue, and glitter from the last time I used these lashes. Well, that's it for now. Thank you so much for tuning in. Again, I'll leave the links in the description box below. Bye.